Mimilan. Experience a new level of reality in Mimilan, where the Mimi cryptocurrency is your key asset. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today I will share with you this new Mimilan bot in Telegram. It is also like the Hamster Combat, the Tap Swap, or any Telegram bot where you can tap and earn the token, and you can trade your token after the listing of its token, no? So like the note token in Tone cryptocurrency system. So the note token after the game or the play to earn already over or done, so the user who already received their note token, they already trade in the SIC, in any SIC market, no? So today I will share with you this new Mimilan bot, no? So this is a play to earn. You can buy and sell, stick and profit. The Mimi Index will be your reliable guide in crypto world, unlocking new opportunities. So you have to become a co-owner of Mimilan, where Mimis are not just entertainment but also a source of income. Okay, remember this is free, and I will put the link in my description and on this video, and you will try to join this new Mimilan bot like the Hamster Combat or any Telegram play to earn. Remember, this is a free play to earn, no? So if you remember, so this is their introduction, or their welcome to you. So you're now the corner Mimiverse. It is on you. Then apply your knowledge from Hamster Combat and practice in Mimiland together with Mimicoin team. So what you want to do is to tap the screen, collect different Mimic coins, trade them, increase your capital in staking, and simply enjoy. You can choose the exchange where you want to list the Mimi token. Remember, Mimi token is already listed in any SEC exchange, no? So you invite all your friends to the game and earn more coins together. That's why I make this video to invite you to join this new play to earn in Telegram. So this is play in new reality, join Mimi community, or how to earn. So if you click this, so earn per tap. So League Bronze, then profit per hour. So I already have Mimi 1,205,000. Then this is the meme token. Then you can tap. If I will tap, 4. Then you can so 40. So can boost every time the rocket will pop up. So you have to click the rocket. Okay. Then you can stick. So M0 stick to level up. So current, silver. So if I try this, if I click continue, not enough for a pay, no? So I will wait, no? Then invite friend. Okay, so 5,000 for you and your friend. If you are in Telegram, you can receive 50,000 yen, no? Then earn. So if you can invite 10 friends, you have 500,000. Then follow either Telegram, then on Twitter or X. Then I have already $7 in my pocket. No, this is Mimi 0.06. So the 1 million is equivalent to 1,000. Okay. So how to play? Just tap. Okay. So I hope you learned something with this new play turn in Telegram. And always research before playing or trying this new play turn. But remember, this is free. You don't have to invest. You only have to open every day your Telegram and do the tap. No. Okay. So I hope you learned something. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you.